Ho Chi Minh City is the engine of Vietnam's economy, accounting for 30% of the country's entire GDP. Tan Son Nhat International Airport plays an important role in the economic and social development of the city. It is the busiest air cargo hub in Vietnam. Saigon Cargo Service Corporation, SCSC, was established early 2008, and as a member of the Southern Airport Corporation, SCSC has invested more than $50 million to establish a state-of-the-art cargo terminal at Tan Son Nhat International Airport. In May 2010, the Vietnam Civil Aviation Administration, Vietnam Ministry of Transport, granted SCSC the first air cargo terminal license in Vietnam to operate the Tan Son Nhat Air Cargo Terminal. The air cargo terminal's 14.3 hectare site comprises three main areas: 52,000 square meters of apron, suitable for 3 Boeing 747F aircraft or 5 Airbus A321 aircraft. SCSC is proud to be the first official air cargo terminal in Vietnam, having its own dedicated carrier apron in front of the terminal and linked to Tan Son Nhat Airport. 27,000 square meters for cargo, with a terminal handling capacity of 200,000 tons of cargo per year in Phase 1 and up to 350,000 tons of cargo per year in Phase 2, and 64,000 square meters for warehousing, parking and offices. The SCSC Tan Son Nhat Air Cargo Terminal, which was designed based on advice from Lufthansa Consult and designed by Japan Airport Consultant, the Tan Son Nhat Air Cargo Terminal, SCSC therefore provides a comprehensive air cargo handling services to customers with advanced world-class facilities and technologies. One of the most advanced technologies in cargo handling services is the automatic cargo handling system provided by Lödiger of Germany. The height of the dock leveler, the dock lift table, can be adjusted to suit the truck in order to make forwarding easier and faster. The packing station or workstation supports efficient handling of large pallets by adjusting the height to suit the workers. Transport equipment, including the elevating transfer vehicles or ETVs, allow speedy lifting, transporting and storage of pallets and containers at the 4-level rack systems. There are 300 storage locations for export or import ULDs. The cargo, which is customs cleared and correctly classified, is transported by the ETV to the storage locations to await a flight. The ETV will automatically move the pallets or containers to the airside doors and from there to the apron for export cargo. With imported cargo, the pallets and containers are stored pending customs receipt, or the ETV pallets are moved out of the workstation for breakdown and storage in the bulk cargo rack or at the special cargo area. Another indispensable link to improving and synchronizing the automatic cargo handling system is the large X-ray screening machine supplied by Smiths Detection. This allows us to screen ULDs up to 4.5 meters in height and 3.2 meters in width, taking only 2 minutes for each ULDs. 4 smaller screening machines provided by Smiths Detection are used to screen bulk cargo. Alternatively, for handling built-up pallets or BUPs, following completion of customs declaration, all built-up ULDs are accepted at the dock lift table from trucks and moved along the roller conveyor to the large X-ray screening machine. Once past the X-ray security screening process, they are automatically conveyed to airside doors and handled to the apron by the ramp team. It takes less than 15 minutes to handle these built-ups and ULDs, from cargo acceptance to aircraft doors.
SCSC, it's the state-of-the-art of a new facility. It's an amazing cargo center, and Lufthansa Cargo is of course one of the leading cargo airlines in the world. We have one of the highest, if not the highest, standards and quality. So we needed a partner to be sure that these quality and high standards are up to date, that we can keep the promise to our customers, forwarders or their customers, that we can keep our promise to serve their needs as we wanted to and as they wanted to.
Supporting the cargo handling, building up and breaking down systems, is an electric forklift and slave pallet mover, or donkey. All vehicles in the terminal use electrical energy to minimize CO2 emissions and pollution of the environment. This is also one of the TAPA requirements. Hermes CMS Advanced Cargo Management Systems, with a barcode handheld scanner, is used to help SCSC manage cargo and equipment at the terminal quickly and efficiently, minimizing lost cargo occurrences. At any position in the terminal, with a barcode handheld scanner in hand, SCSC staff can easily identify the location and status of any cargo item. SCSC helps forwarders and shippers save time in implementing delivery procedures. Moreover, through close working relationships with the customs service, agents and other forwarders, this cargo management system enables customers and the authorities to easily control their cargo information and status. Air cargo is very diverse in type. Each commodity has its own requirements for storage and preservation. To meet customer needs and aims to preserve the goods, SCSC constructed a warehouse system that fully complies with IATA requirements. Customers are reassured when SCSC is handling their special cargoes, which may include live animals, dangerous goods, or radioactive goods. For particularly perishable goods, SCSC has 10 rooms with temperatures maintained from plus 15 degrees Celsius to plus 25 degrees Celsius, plus 8 degrees Celsius to plus 12 degrees Celsius, plus 2 degrees Celsius to plus 8 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius to minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 18 degrees Celsius to minus 21 Celsius. These cold stores are managed by dedicated IT systems to accommodate all the kinds of cargo that require careful temperature management. Furthermore, the cold storage system of the SCSC terminal includes a 30-container ULD storage cooler, which is airside and which controls the temperature at an average 12 to 15 degrees centigrade. Air cargo handling requires compliance with more demanding security procedures than any other means of transport. In addition to the systems of protective barriers around the station and between cargo regions in high-value cargo areas, security has been enhanced through inclusion of a tight door locking system whereby only those who carry a special card can access certain areas. An access control system allows us to control all in and out activities of people and vehicles at the station. 150 colour closed-circuit TV cameras installed and used throughout the station help control and minimise the risk of high-value cargo losses. The stringent aviation security control process around the clock by security personnel. SCSC is currently working towards achieving certification by the Transport Asset Protection Association (TAPA) and certification by IATA for ground operations, ISAGO, the 1 full year of operation. A large truck parking lot with 400 spaces outside the terminal and 54 receiving and delivery goods doors along the front of the terminal's landside help agents and customers deliver and receive goods in the shortest time. Forwarding operations are conducted entirely undercover to protect air cargo from the harmful impact of the weather. The consolidation warehouse of the SCSC Air Cargo Terminal, which received an operating license by Customs Department, is the first export cargo collection model facility at Tan Son Nhat International Airport, built and organized specifically for customer convenience, enabling handling agencies to collect export cargo only when the quantity of goods received is sufficient to fill a full pallet or container, or ULD. After receiving customs declaration data, goods in the consolidation warehouse, staff complete the remaining procedures to exporting goods including surveillance, clearance and liquidation by the consolidation staff and customs clerks, saving time and labour for agents and customers.
Yes, in the point of view of the VFAS, that's been Vietnam Freight Forwarders Associations, I think the SCSC, the new cargo terminal, they played an important role in the logistic chains of our customers, our partners. Yeah. And for the cargo import, for the export, for transit via Ho Chi Minh City Airport. The important thing is new cargo terminal will support and help the customer to shorten the cup of time and for the faster time for the cargo acceptance. Yeah, that's very important because the time is a very sensitive issue for the air cargo moving. Yeah. I think the SCSC the most cargo terminal in Vietnam and even in the region, in South Asia as well.
SCSC is committed to training and improving staff knowledge. All staff employed in the air cargo terminal are professionally trained on air cargo services at the Vietnam Aviation Academy and must be fluent in English. The SCSC Training Centre, with modern equipment and international qualifications gained in the air cargo handling field, and teaching staff with practical experience, frequently open on-the-job training classes to meet the needs of our staff. SCSC also sends key staff to attend international training courses at Pudong, Shanghai, or to attend workshops with experts from Lufthansa Cargo to keep them constantly up to date on the latest developments in air cargo handling services around the world. A good working environment, attracting a highly skilled and devoted labour force, will enable SCSC to provide consistent quality services for customers. The office building has been in accordance with Vietnam's Grade B+ construction standard, has 5 floors with standard amenities, is adjacent to the terminal and therefore very convenient for customers. Through its slogan, Bringing Perfection to You, SCSC expresses its mission and vision. We strive to understand our customers' needs and to perfectly satisfy their requirements in air cargo handling services. Our aim is to be a leader of air cargo handling services in Vietnam and the region.